Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. Today we're going to look at a Homelite Super XL 925. This is a 5 cubic inch, 82cc motor. It weighs 17 pounds dry without bar and chain, and capable of running a 36 inch bar and chain. This one was made in the late 70s. This one features a 28 inch sprocket nose Windsor bar with a really great 404 chisel bit skip tooth 52 AJ chain, which you can't get anymore, but this one's in really good shape. And I'll just show you a few things on it. Got the wrap handlebar. Real large falling spike. And we'll just take the cover off here so you can see inside what it looks like here. Cleans off. It has an automatic and manual oiler. That's got the 3-component electronic ignition. You got the coil, there's a module there, and then under the flywheel, which you can't see right now, there's another module. There's the manual oiler there. And we'll fire it up. And we'll go outside now and make a cut in that log.